What's up guys, Cody from KHC here, and in today's video, I wanted to showcase our 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor. Now this thing is absolutely a monster, and I'm in love with the Ford Bronco Raptors. But when we first got this, it was completely bone stock. Now as you can tell, we've done a lot to it, so I want to give you a breakdown of what exactly we've done. So to start with some of the things that we've done here on our Ford Bronco Raptor, we have the KHC frame cut front bumper along with the KHC rear bumper. To add to that, we have some Chem Block series fuel wheels wrapped in 37-inch BF Goodrich mud terrain tires. Now I absolutely love these tires. I recommend them to a lot of people. Moving on to the next thing that we have KHC diff skid, KHC shock guards. Now in the front, we have a Mishimoto intercooler along with a cold air intake. Absolutely is a must in my opinion. Now another must on my list is lighting. And as you can see on this Bronco Raptor, we did not go easy on it. KC lights everywhere. Now going on to a couple other things, we have SPD downpipes, we have RPG tie rods, RPG upper control arms, an RPG rear link kit, and to end it off, an RPG track bar. Now a couple other little things that we added is we created a KHC prototype chase light, and adding to that, we added an e-clicking suspension tuning system. Now I know that may seem like a long mod list, but honestly, as you all know, no project is ever done, and there is plenty more that you could easily do to this bad boy Bronco here. For me, one of my favorite things actually is all the paint to match parts, whether that is the KHC front bumper, rear bumper. We did a lot of paint to match on the body itself. So I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments down below and your opinions of what your favorite part of this Ford Bronco Raptor is. Now, as always, guys, don't forget to smack that like button. Leave a comment down below what you think about our Project Bronco Raptor. And don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family. I'll see you guys in the next one.